Have you ever thought about traveling alone but felt unsure where to start or how to stay safe? Solo travel is an experience that can be both liberating and intimidating for many first-time explorers. Unlike group trips, traveling alone requires careful planning, confidence, and awareness of your surroundings at all times. Like, share, and subscribe for more insider travel tips and guides for explorers around the world. 10. Choosing the right destination for solo travel. The first step in a successful solo trip is picking the right destination for your personality. Some countries are more welcoming, safe, and easy to navigate for solo travelers than others. Consider factors like language, public transportation, cultural norms, and safety when choosing where to go. Research destinations online, read travel blogs, and watch videos from other solo travelers for insight. Start with countries that have reliable infrastructure and lower risks to gain confidence on your first trip. Consider your comfort level with crowded cities, remote areas, or unfamiliar environments before booking. Choosing a suitable destination ensures you feel secure and enjoy your experience fully. Traveling solo to a compatible country allows freedom without unnecessary stress or challenges. 9. Planning your budget and finances carefully. Budgeting is crucial for solo travelers because there is no one else to share costs. Estimate expenses for accommodation, food, transportation, and activities before departure. Always keep extra money for emergencies, unexpected changes, or medical needs. Use travel apps, online calculators, and local guides to research affordable options. Consider hostels, guest houses, or short-term rentals to manage accommodation costs efficiently. Track daily spending to ensure your funds last throughout the trip. Carrying multiple payment methods reduces the risk of losing access to money. 8. Staying safe while traveling alone. Personal safety is the top priority for solo travelers in any country. Keep important documents, cash, and electronics secure in a travel wallet or money belt. Avoid walking alone at night in unfamiliar areas or poorly lit streets. Share your itinerary and location with family or friends regularly for peace of mind. Learn basic local customs and laws to avoid inadvertently causing problems or attracting danger. Trust your instincts and leave situations that feel uncomfortable immediately. Use reputable transportation services, official taxis, or ride-sharing apps rather than walking long distances alone. 7. Accommodation tips for solo travelers. Choosing the right place to stay is essential for comfort and safety when traveling alone. Hostels, guest houses, or small boutique hotels often offer social environments for meeting other travelers. Private rooms in hostels provide security while still offering opportunities to connect with like-minded people. Check reviews online for cleanliness, safety, and proximity to transportation or attractions. Consider accommodations that offer lockers or secure storage for your belongings. Choose locations in well-lit, populated neighborhoods to avoid isolation and risk. Some accommodations provide social activities or group tours, making it easier to explore safely. 6. Making friends and connections abroad. Traveling alone does not mean being lonely. Solo trips can be highly social. Hostels, guided tours, and workshops are great places to meet fellow travelers. Joining local classes, cultural events, or language lessons helps you interact with residents. Using social media and travel apps can connect you with others in the same location. Sharing meals or transportation with other travelers reduces costs and increases companionship. Be open, approachable, and respectful when interacting with locals and other tourists. Safety is key, so meet new people in public places and avoid sharing personal information too quickly. Friendships formed during solo travel often become long-lasting or lead to shared adventures. Social engagement enhances the overall experience and reduces feelings of isolation. 5. Managing health and wellness on the road. Maintaining health is critical when traveling alone because you rely solely on yourself. Carry a basic first aid kit with medications for common illnesses or minor injuries. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and take precautions against foodborne illnesses. Ensure you have travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, evacuation, and hospital care. Get necessary vaccinations or preventive medications before departure depending on your destination. Rest adequately and avoid overexertion when exploring new cities or natural sites. Practice good hygiene to reduce the risk of infections or illness. Know the locations of nearby hospitals, clinics, or pharmacies in the areas you visit. 4. Staying connected while traveling solo. Communication is essential for safety, planning, and sharing your experiences while traveling alone. Carry a local SIM card or international roaming plan for calls and internet access. Use messaging apps to keep in touch with family, friends, or travel contacts. Check Wi-Fi availability at accommodations, cafes, or public spaces for emergencies. Back up important documents, photos, and contacts digitally for easy recovery. Online maps and translation apps help navigate cities and interact with locals. Social media allows you to share updates and receive advice from other travelers. Stay connected to local news or safety alerts to avoid potential risks. 3. Packing smart for solo adventures. Packing efficiently saves space, reduces weight, and makes travel less stressful alone. Carry only essential items and versatile clothing suitable for multiple situations. Organize documents, electronics, and valuables in easily accessible compartments. Use packing cubes or compression bags to maximize luggage space. Pack personal safety items like locks, flashlights, and emergency whistles. Include lightweight rain gear or a travel umbrella for unpredictable weather. Keep toiletries and medications in a compact, organized bag for convenience. Avoid overpacking to reduce strain while moving between destinations independently. 2. Budgeting and cost-saving strategies. Traveling solo can be expensive if not carefully managed, so plan wisely. Look for local dining options, street food, and budget-friendly restaurants. Use public transportation or rental bikes instead of costly taxis. Book flights and accommodations in advance to secure the best rates. Consider free or low-cost attractions, walking tours, and cultural experiences. Travel during off-peak seasons to reduce costs and avoid crowds. Track spending daily to ensure money lasts for the entire trip. Use travel apps and websites to find discounts, deals, and insider tips. 1. Embracing the freedom and challenges of solo travel. Solo travel is a journey of self-discovery, independence, and personal growth. Being alone allows you to make spontaneous decisions and explore at your own pace. You learn to solve problems, adapt to new situations, and gain confidence. The experience challenges fears, builds resilience, and fosters cultural understanding. It also encourages reflection, mindfulness, and appreciation for the world around you. Some days may feel lonely, but overcoming challenges creates memorable stories. Traveling solo allows complete immersion in destinations without compromise or distraction. Freedom, responsibility, and independence make solo travel uniquely rewarding. Embracing challenges and embracing yourself is the key to a fulfilling journey. Solo adventures leave a lasting impression that group travel rarely provides. Traveling alone does not have to be scary or overwhelming if you plan carefully. With preparation, awareness, and confidence, solo travel becomes a life-changing experience. From choosing destinations to staying safe, meeting people, and managing budgets, you are ready. Like, share, and subscribe for more essential advice for solo travelers exploring the world safely.